Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. I'm Rick. This is my new sidekick for all these videos, Charlie. Welcome to Denver, where it snowed 12 inches of snow last night, and this weekend's going to be 60 degrees. It's crazy. We are here with our first 2025 159 Highroof Promaster build. It's a local client, and we really cannot wait to show you. This build was done in our Duke layout. Starting in the kitchen, we've got our overhead pantry, paper towel holder, and our spice racks. The button on the right is for the water pump, which is pressurized with an accumulator, and next to that is the gray water release button for the 10-gallon undermounted gray water tank. This client opted for a 2-burner induction stove top to round out her 4-foot kitchen base. To extend the counter, we add a 16-inch flip-up. Our builds come with an 85 isotherm fridge. The large cutlery drawer sits right above the fridge. Under the sink is the switch for the hot water heater, the Blue Technologies water filter, and a ton of storage. In the Duke build, you've got another counter with 4 storage drawers on the driver's side. Above that counter rests the controls for the inverter and heater, but also the battery monitor rests as well. 3 more overhead cabinets to maximize storage in the Duke layout. The living room seating area allows access to a large AMA slider window that also has a screen, and it's dressed beautifully with a home-like pull-down blackout shade. What makes the Duke layout? The placement of this Trellino composting toilet. Doing your business with a view is the absolute best. Onto the bedroom, where the 2 largest overhead cabinets rest. This client added a small AMA bedroom window we beautifully framed out. With the 159 Promaster, we fit a short queen bed, which is 75 inches tall by 60 inches wide. We've really worked hard to provide a huge garage space for storage, and the shore power sits safely from the elements inside as well. Here you have your water fill, your heated outdoor shower, and window to see your water level. The hot water tank sits right in front of the 28-gallon freshwater tank. On the driver's side is a 3,000 watt Ames inverter, a Victron battery-to-battery charger, a Victron solar charge controller, and our standard of 460 amp hours of lithium battery to power you through anything. This client added a flatline Van Company roof rack and ladder, and as we make our way up to the roof, you'll see one max air fan, 400 watts of solar, and the last upgrade, which is a 12-volt valet air conditioner. That's a wrap on this beautiful ProMaster. Thank you for watching. Do us a favor, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Drop us a comment below as well. Give it a like, and if van life was ever a thought, do me a favor, call or reach out, email us. We'd love to help make this a reality for as many people as possible. And we hope to catch you on the road in 2025. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Do us a favor, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Give us a